Hello students of grade 5. I am Praveen Sama, your SS teacher. So today we will be learning from the chapter 3, Rotation and Revolution. In this chapter, we will learn about the movement of the earth, what causes day and night, and the changes in season. Movement of the earth. The earth moves in two ways, that is rotation and revolution. Rotation is the movement of the earth on its own axis, whereas revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun. Both these movements takes place simultaneously. Now the rotation of the earth. The earth has its own axis on which it rotates. The axis of the earth is an imaginary line that runs from the center of the earth from North Pole to South Pole. So it is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees from the center of the earth, and it takes 24 hours to make one complete rotation for the earth. Now, day and night. What causes day and night? The earth rotates from west to east, that causes day and night. The part of the earth that faces the sun experiences day, and the part of the earth that is away from the sun experience night. The eastern hemisphere is ahead of the western hemisphere by a day because the earth rotates from west to east, and that is the reason why it is 1st of January in India and it is 31st of December in USA. Now, revolution of the earth. The earth revolves around the sun on a fixed orbit, and it takes 365.5 days to complete one revolution. In a normal calendar, we have got 365 days. So you might be thinking where the half day or the 6 hours has gone. The half days or the 6 hour is collected for 4 years till its total is 24 hours, which is added to the month of February month. And that year is known as a leap year, which will be having a days of 366 days. Now coming to the seasons on the earth. The revolutions of the earth around the sun causes changes in season. So when the northern hemisphere leans towards the sun, the southern hemisphere leans away from the sun. The northern hemisphere receives more sunlight and experience summer season. Meanwhile, southern hemisphere receives less sun rays and experience winter. So the longest day in the northern hemisphere is June 21st. Similarly, when the northern hemisphere leans away from the sun, receive less sunlight and experience winter. And 22 December is known as a winter solstice. So in this course of anti-revolutions, the sun shines twice directly over the equator, and which is known as equinox. So on this very particular day, the length of day and night are equal. So 21st of March and 23 September is called equinox. Why? Because on this very particular day, the length of day and night are equal. So before we wind up, let's review back what we have learned today. We have learned about the movement of the earth, that is rotation and revolutions, what causes day and night, and the changes in the season. That's all for today. Thank you and see you in the next video.